Are you having an ice cream eating competition? Whoa! Looks like you got brain freeze! Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Walter, you've got it bad! Hey, Carl! Looks like there's a problem. You better go check it out. Whoa! Looks like Billy got hypnotized by the rhythm of Dane's ball. Oh no! Billy's been hypnotized to destroy everything in sight! You'd better stop him before he does something dangerous! Dane, what happened? You told him to wreck it all. Oh, you were talking about your construction project? Billy must have thought you meant everything in this city because he was hypnotized. Right, let's clean up the city and stop Billy. Billy sure did a lot of damage. Massimo, are you okay? You fell on a banana skin. Don't worry, Super Truck will stop Billy. Whoa, Jerry, look out! Oh no, looks like someone's trapped. Walter, are you okay? Oh, your hat protected you. Must be pretty hard. What? Billy is heading for the power crystal? Super Truck, he's heading for the power crystal. If he hits it, the city is done for. Right, Walter. Super Truck needs to slow Billy down. Slow down. Brain freeze can slow you down, right? Of course. You can use the freeze ray. Billy, this is for your own good. Yes! Wow! The brain freeze cured his hypnosis. Billy, you were hypnotized. Super Truck cured you with brain freeze. Super Truck, it's happening again! You'd better do something! Oh, it's a hypnosis show! Billy is hypnotized to think Walter is an ice cream? Look out, Walter!
Oh no, there is a fire at the construction site. Wow, the rescue squad is here. Hurry up, guys. Billy, Edna, are you okay? Don't worry, guys. Rescue is coming. Oh no, the accident is causing a traffic jam. How are you going to reach the construction site? Matilda knows how to clear the way. What a mess. Time to transform and help Matilda. Rescue squad, let's split the tasks. Frank, Dane is still inside the construction site. You need to save him. Amber, make sure that Billy and Edna are fine. Police officers, the traffic needs to be organized. Let's do it. Good work! Keep it up, guys! Oh no! Edna and Billy are too heavy for Amber. Can you help Amber? Steady, ready, go! Great job! Let's put Billy back too. Billy and Edna need medical attention. Amber, do you know how to help them? Great! Billy and Edna feel much better now. Look, Frank helped Dane to get out, but he got stuck in the middle of the fire. There's Frank. Frank can't deal alone with the huge fire. Watch out! Oh, that was close. Let's join the effort and get out safely. Amazing, guys! The fire is too big to be extinguished by only you two. But it looks like you have some help. Everybody is ready to stop the fire. Time to fight the fire! Great teamwork, guys. Oh no, it seems there is another emergency in Car City. Come on, guys. Working as a team, there is nothing that can stop you.
It's Carrie's day off. Don't let anything bad happen, Walter. We're counting on you. Getting an ice cream, huh? Walter, behind you! Oh no! The dino is scaring everyone! A dinosaur is attacking the city! There he is! It's a T-Rex! Watch out! I think he was trying to play with you. Gotcha! He must be hungry.
Hey. Ha. Hey. Ha.
Maybe he wants to be friends with you, Super Truck.
Hey.
Time to play! Catch me if you can! Telling the cards about the dinosaur? Don't worry, guys. He's harmless. See? What is it, Walter? Another dinosaur? Is it your mom? She must be looking for you. That should draw her attention. Here she is! Mom is coming. We can have friends even if they're different. See you next time.
Hey, Jerry! Trying to break the speed record? Hi, Edna. Looks like you're doing some heavy digging. Is that for a special occasion? I see. You'd better get back to it then. Whoa! Something's not right. Edna's digging is making the tunnel ceiling crumble. Jerry, you should stop! Edna, stop digging! The tunnel is collapsing and Jerry's inside! Oh no! Carl, Jerry is in trouble! The tunnel is blocked! Which transformation will you choose to go inside, Super Truck?
주목.
Jerry, Super Truck is here to help.
Hey.
You hear something? The rocks have broken the pipes in their fall. Super Truck, you need to act fast.
Valinda.
Hurry up, Super Truck. Let's go. What's happening? Careful.
안내해, 레나토. 주목.
Oh no, the water is coming your way. You need to use your special tool, the ST-3000. A laser? Awesome! Well done, Super Truck. You managed to freeze the water. Well, enjoy your skating, guys. See you later.
What a nice day for a drive, right, Super Truck? Wait, is that Jerry crying? What happened, pal? It looks like he lost his wheels somehow, Super Truck. Jerry is sad because he's a racing car. Without wheels, he can't race anymore. Don't worry, Jerry. Super Truck will help you get new tires.
Hey.
Of course! I'm sure you'll find some at Tom's garage. Tom will get you some great new tires, Jerry. But now, you have to find out what's going on, Super Truck. A police car transformation? Great idea, Super Truck!
Hey.
Beware, criminals! Car City's best detective is on the case. All right, Super Truck, let's unravel this mystery. Wow! Everybody is losing their wheels, Super Truck. But who could be behind this crazy mischief? Wow! What was that? Matilda is chasing evil Dr. Zig. What did he do this time? Good call, Super Truck. Matilda might need some help to arrest him. Super Truck, watch out! Phew, that was close. Of course! It was Dr. Zig who stole everybody's tires. Don't worry, Matilda. Super Truck will stop that thug. But you have to be careful, or Dr. Zig might steal your wheels too. A helicopter! Good idea, Super Truck! That's right, Zig. You can't steal Super Truck's wheels if he doesn't have any. Give up. There's nowhere you can hide. Good thinking, Super Truck. Block his way out. Man, he's really hard to get. I think that catching him is not going to be as easy as we thought. Do you have any idea on how to stop him? A grapple hook, of course. This is over, Dr. Zig. Boy, you're really hard to get. But your luck won't last forever. Scared, Dr. Zig? Don't worry, Super Truck will put you down soon. In jail. Wow, Super Truck! Those wheels look swell! Did Tom give them to you? I see. Everyone got some new cool tires. Well, maybe not everyone.
Hey, Super Truck. Helping out at the construction site? Looks like there's a problem in Car City. You better check it out. Looks like the babies were playing volleyball with Chad. Oh, Chad, he's such a dreamboat. Looks like he went to get the ball. He's scared of heights. He can't get down. Right, you should go rescue him. Hey babies, Super Truck is here to help. Right, Chad is stuck on the rocks. Don't worry, Super Truck will get him down in no time. Chad, Super Truck is here to help you.
Hey!
Chad, you can't get down. This is no time to be proud. A transformation? Awesome! Chad, you're gonna need to jump! Babies, Chad is a little nervous. Can you give him some courage? Wow! Chad's back, everyone! You forgot something. Of course! The ball!
Hey!
That's not working. The grapple! That's a great idea! Got it! That's not a ball. Oh, you got something! Oh, I love Lego!
on, baby. Have a good game, guys. Hi, babies. Are you here because of the rumor that there's a dinosaur in the cornfield? Be careful. I've heard he's really scary. Look, a dinosaur footprint. Is that the tail of the dinosaur? Where is all this smoke coming from? Run, babies! Get out of here! Phew! You made it, guys! Wait, where is Chili? Don't tell me. He's still at the maze with the dinosaur? Quick, babies, go ask for help! Super Truck, it's great that you're here. You have to help Chili. He got lost in the corn maze. But be careful, there is a dinosaur inside the cornfield. Great thinking, Super Truck. The best way to defeat a dinosaur is with another dinosaur. Now let's find Chili before the dinosaur gets him. Chili is nowhere around here. We won't find anyone this way. You have to come up with another plan, Super Truck. Do you have an idea? Great plan! With the radar, you will find Chili in no time. I'm sure he must be around here somewhere. Look, the radar has caught something. Wait, what if it's the dinosaur? He's getting closer. Huh? These eggs look familiar. So it was the dinosaur. Let's get out of here, Super Truck. Do you have a plan? I can't believe it. The scary dinosaur was Crocomile all along. This joke wasn't funny at all, you evil Croco. Well, I wouldn't laugh so hard. That will teach you, phony dino. You're amazing, Super Truck. Did you already know that Crocomile was the scary dinosaur? You always surprise me. Now let's bring Chili back to his friends. That way, Super Truck. Fear no more, Chili. Super Truck is here to get you out of this maze. That's right, babies. There was no dinosaur. It was Crocomile all along. Look, Chili found the way out. But where is Super Truck? Oh no, the dinosaur was real after all. Keep calm, guys. I'm sure Super Truck will come to the rescue. What a joker you are, Super Truck. See, babies, there was never any dinosaur at the maze. What was that?
Showing Carl some tricks, Walter? Amazing!
Huh?
Looks like something's up. You'd better go. Gary was helping the babies make a ball pit. Oh no! Right, you better go sort out that mess. Oh no! Can you get up, Gary? Super Truck, you better do something. Thanks, Super Truck. Right, how can you get those balls out? Garbage truck? Great idea! Good job, Super Truck! No, baby! Let Super Truck clean the river! No! Baby, where are you? Oh, you landed on a safety boat! Uh-oh. Is that... Don't worry, Super Truck will get you out.
Super Truck.
You scared him good, Super Truck. Baby, hop on. Right, let's go make that ball pit. Awesome, it's ready for diving now. Wow, that looks so fun. Come on, Cecil, you can do it. Maybe Super Truck could help you out. It's okay, Cecil. The parachute will get you down safely. Wow! A shark? How did he get in here? Walter, aren't you too old for ball pits? Wow! Keep it up, babies!